Hello, dear student. How are you? I hope all of you are happy, healthy, and enjoying your online classes. So, dear, as you can see, we are studying preposition. In the previous video, we have learned the definition of preposition and kinds of preposition. And here, we are going to study the uses of some specific prepositions. Okay, dear? So, without wasting our time, let's see the uses of preposition. So, dear, you can see here the very first use of since and for. Okay, since and for. So, dear, since and for both are the preposition of time. Okay, since and for both, okay, are used to show time, but both are different in usage. Okay, so let's see the usage of since and for in the sense of time. So dear, I have mentioned here some points. You can see since is used before point of time. Is that clear? So dear, we use since before the point of time, like since morning, since evening, since Monday, okay, since 2005, since 5 o'clock. So dear, these all are the point of time, and before the point of time we always use since. Okay dear, I hope you have got my point very well. Now see the point second. For is used before period of time. Is that clear, student? We use for before the period of time, like for for 2 hours, for 3 days, for 5 months. Okay dear, so these all are the period of time. Okay dear, so before the period of time we always use preposition for. Okay, so dear, I hope you have got these 2 points very well. Now we have one more point about the use of for. Now see, for is also used to show the price of something. Okay dear, when we discuss the price of any article, before the price of the article we use preposition for. Okay dear, now let's understand use of since and for with the help of some example. So let's see some example. They have been playing cricket since morning. So dear, morning is a point of time. That is why you can see we have used preposition since. Okay, now see the second example. The boy has been reading for 2 hours. So dear, 2 hours, this is a period of time, and I have told you already before period of time we use preposition for. Okay dear, now see example third. I bought this toy for 50 rupees. How many rupees? 50 rupees. So dear, I have told you when we show the price of any article, so before the price of that article we use preposition for. So here we have shown the price of the toy, okay, and the price is the 50 rupees. That is why before the price of the toy we have to use preposition for. Okay dear, I hope you have got my points very well. Okay, now see the next use. So dear, you can see the next use is use of between and among. Okay, dear. Dear, between and among convey the same Hindi meaning. Both conveys same Hindi meaning, but both are different in usage. Okay, dear. So let's see the uses. The preposition between represents two persons, things, or ideas. Okay, dear. Preposition between represent two persons, things, or ideas. Okay, while among represents more than two persons, things, and ideas. Is that clear, student? When we talks about only two persons, two things, or two ideas, so in that case we use preposition between. Okay, dear. But if we talks about more than two, more than two person, things, or ideas, in that case we use among. Okay, dear. So you can understand it with the help of example. Let's see. The old man divided his property. The old man divided his property between his two sons. So here we are talking about the two sons of the old man. So there is only two person. That is why we have filled here the preposition between. Okay, dear. Now see the next example. He likes to spend evening among his friends. So here friends, there is a not confirm the friends are two or more than two. So that is why we have filled here among. Okay, dear. Okay, so I hope you have got my points. Okay, the difference between among and between. Okay. Okay, dear. Now see use of beside and besides. So dear, the preposition beside means by the side of. Okay, dear. Preposition beside means by the side of. Okay. Now the question is that, sir, what is by the side of? Suppose that this is a place and here any person is sitting and you came and you sit just beside, I mean by the side of. So this position either here or here, okay, this position is called by the side of. Okay, by the side of. So beside is used in the sense of by the side of. Now see, while besides means in addition to. Okay, dear. Besides means in addition to. So let's see some example. He came and sit beside me. Okay, dear. So you can see he came and sit beside me. So here the sentence conveys the meaning of by the side of. That is why we have filled here preposition beside. And here I gave her a book besides money. So here we we get the sense of in addition to. So that is why we filled here the preposition besides. Okay, dear. So I hope you have got my point. I hope you have understood the difference between beside and besides. Okay. Okay, dear. Now see the next point, use of in and into. Okay, dear. So dear, preposition in and into. So here place used in the sense of place, okay, and both in and into convey the same Hindi meaning, okay, it's give same Hindi meaning, but both are different in the usage. So let's see the uses of in and into, okay, please pay attention. The preposition in denotes position or rest inside of anything. Are you getting me? Okay, dear. The preposition in denotes position or rest inside of anything. Okay, suppose that you can see this is a vessel and the water is already in the rest position. So here we can say that the water is already in the rest position inside this bottle, okay dear. So in that case we use preposition in. Now see use of into. While into denotes while into denotes motion towards inside of anything, okay dear. While into denotes motion towards inside of anything, okay, suppose that this is a well, okay, and this is a blind man. What kind of man? Blind man. And the blind man fell into the well. So dear, you can see the blind man is already not already inside the well, but he he fell with motion inside the well, okay dear. So in such condition we use preposition into, okay, when anything when anything motion towards inside of anything, in that case we use preposition into, okay dear. Okay, now see with example. The frog is in the well. Now see, you can see, suppose that this is a well and the frog is already in the well. So this is the rest position, and we can say when anything is already inside of anything, so in that case we use in. So that is why we have used preposition in here. Now see second example. The frog fell into the well. So when the frog, suppose that this is the well and the frog fell, when the frog, suppose that this is a frog, and when it fell, so it will do motion. So in that case when anything motion towards inside of any other thing, so in that case we use preposition into, okay dear. So you can use here preposition into, okay. Okay, I hope you have got my points very well. So dear, if you have any problem you can message me, you can call me, okay. So till then watch the video and enjoy the video. If you have any doubt, so you can message me, okay dear. Till then, bye, take care.